This is an instructional video tutorial on guidelines for the reservations feature on your website. In this current example, the reservations feature has been set up to reserve tennis courts. We will create a new scenario in which a new racquetball court has been built. In order to set up this new racquetball court as a resource to be reserved, it must be added to the facilities feature first. A facility can be grouped into several resources. For example, tennis courts can be a facility with several different courts, court 1, 2, and 3, each being a single resource to be reserved under the facility. In this scenario, there is a single racquetball court, so the facility would be the racquetball court and the resource racquetball court. You will now go to Facilities, click the Add, Edit, Delete Facility link located under the existing facilities. Then click Add to add the racquetball court. The only two bits of information that are required to create your facility to be used to reserve are the name and the max reservations per day per person. You can always go back to your facilities feature to this facility to add any additional information at your leisure. When you go back to the reservations feature, click on Add, Edit, Delete Resources, then Add. A resource is what gets reserved. In this scenario, the racquetball court is the resource. You must fill in all the reservation time fields for this resource to be set up properly. The information you include here will influence what the racquetball court schedule grid looks like and when the court can be reserved. After you add the resource, you will set up the availability with the days of the week and the times that the court will be available to reserve. Once you set up the availability, a resident will be able to go to the reservations feature and see a schedule grid. They can now choose an available time slot to make their reservation. Other options that you have when setting up the resource is to require that reservations be approved by a designated person. The time slot will not actually be filled until the reservation is approved. This concludes the tutorial. For more website tutorials, please visit www.athomenet.com and explore our videos area. Thank you for watching.